Hello students. Today we are going to learn how to prime factorize a given number. Prime factorization is a method which we use to find out square root of a given number. Today we will be learning prime factorization. Before that, let us learn what is a square root. For example, you are given any number 49 and the question is to find out square root of this. That means we have to find out a number. If we square that, we get answer 49. We have to find out a number. If we square that number and we get 49. Similarly, let us say 81. You have to find out square root of 81. When you will break it in two numbers, numbers should be same like 9 and 9. One pair will come out from the square root. This is called square root. 9 and 9. One number will be outside. You'll make a pair out of it. Both the numbers should be same. You can't write two different numbers, then you can't take them out. Both the numbers should be same. Then you can take out a number. Out of a pair, only one number will come out. Right? For example, let us take another number. If we are asked to find out square root of this, then 13 into 13. Same number. We have to break 169 in such a way that we get two same numbers and we'll bring out one out of square root. So we'll say square root of 169 is 13. This is the basic idea about square root. When we will do the squaring of 13, we'll get 169. This is the basic idea of square roots. So let us move to prime factorization. How prime factorization helps us to find out square root. For example, if I ask you, I give you a bigger number, 196. What is square root of that number? Then directly you cannot tell. Prime factorization helps us to find out square roots. How? First of all, write down 196 here. Now, see the prime factors of 196. See the tables on which 196 is divisible. But the numbers should be prime. Now, what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which are having two factors. For example, 2. It is divisible by 1 and 2 only. 3. It is divisible by 1 and 3 only. 5. It is divisible by 1 and 5 only. Numbers which are having two factors are known as prime numbers. If there is a number 6, it is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. More than two numbers are there. So 6 is not a prime number. Prime numbers are the numbers which have two factors. So let us start prime factorization of 196. First of all, as 6 is even number, so we know it is divisible by 2. So 2 is the factor of it. 196 when it is divided by 2, what do you get? 9, 8, 98. So you will be writing 98 here. Divide these two numbers and see what you are getting. Now find out a prime factor of a 98. Again on the table of 2. Now find out prime factor of 49. Now how you will do? See, when you write 196 here, write down all the factors in square root. First of all 2, then 2, then 7, again 7. Make pairs, same numbers. Pairs of same numbers. 2 will come out from here, 7. As I told you earlier, single number will come out from a pair. 14. So square root of 196 is 14. So I hope concept of prime factorization is clear to you. Let us do some examples related to it. See the first question. You have to find out square root of 8281. First of all, you have to search the prime factors for this. When you divide it by 2, it will not be divisible by 2 because the last number is odd. 2 never divides an odd number. So divide by 3, divide by 5, keep checking. You will get a number 7 first of all, which divides 8281. When you will divide it, you will get this number. You can check it here. Right? So you are getting 1183. Now it's again divisible by 7. When you divide these two, you will get 169. Keep checking. 13 will divide 169. When you divide these two numbers, you can write 1 here. So when you write 8281 here, the square root will be 7 into 7 into 13 into 13. When you make pair, 7 will come out. Similarly, 13 will come out. And you get 91 as the square root of this number. Now try this part yourself and find out which is the prime factor. Yes, try this part. Moving further, let us start this question. 49. We have done earlier that square root of 49 is 7, as 7 sevens are 49. So I can write it as this. 7 into 7. Now in next, decimal is there. Let us remove decimal and keep it in the denominator. It will become 100. Square root should be here as well. Similarly here, remove the decimal, count number of zeros 1, 2 and digits 2 more. There are 4 digits after decimal. So there will be 4 zeros in the denominator. Right? Because this makes a pair, 7 will come out of this. And here we will write 7 into 7 because 7 sevens are 49 and 10 into 10 as 10 tens are 100. 7 into 7 and here you will get 100 into 100 because when you will multiply you will get 4 zeros and there are 4 zeros only. Bring it out of square root, 7 upon 10, 7 upon 100. That means you are getting 7 plus 0.7 plus 0.07. When you add it, you will get 7.77. This is your square root.